Surface tension is the pull of any liquid on its open surface so that the surface is as small as possible. The molecules near the surface pull on those that are on the surface. This pulling concentrates the molecules at the surface into a thin skin called surface tension. Allow the water to settle into a smooth surface. Make sure the needle is clean and dry. Hold the needle lightly between your thumb and finger just above the water. Make sure the needle is parallel to the surface of the water, and then release the needle. If the needle sinks, dry it off completely and carefully try again until the needle floats. Pour a drop of liquid detergent into the bowl of water. Does the needle sink? Does the detergent change the surface tension of the water?
Surface tension is a property of liquids in which molecules of one substance are more attracted to each other than to molecules of another substance. Water is unique in that it has a high surface tension compared to other liquids. This is due to its polar property. The positive hydrogen ends and the negative oxygen ends create a strong bond. As they say, opposites attract. So the hydrogen end of the water tends to stick to the oxygen end in a nearby water molecule. At water's surface, its molecules are only attracted to the water molecules below and to the sides of them, as there is only air above these molecules. So the surface molecules of a body of water are pulled down, creating a more stable, stronger environment. That is why certain animals, like the water strider, can actually walk on the surface of water. Here on the International Space Station, the microgravity environment makes it easy to show how well water uses surface tension to stick together. We even rely on surface tension to help us wash our hair.
Did you know that soap bubbles are around because of surface tension? Soap reduces the water's surface tension and makes the water flexible enough to shape the bubble so that it takes up the least space. Did you know that if you hold a spoon under a stream of water, a round sheet of water held together by surface tension will form? And did you know that surface tension causes water to move through a cloth or paper towel?